Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Tailwindcss for the front end of a Laravel application using a bundling tool called Vite. Let's get started. I'm going to skip the section of creating a Laravel application from scratch because my YouTube channel, you could find videos on that. So I'll just go straight to like showing you the demo with a Laravel application that I've installed already. Here is the Laravel application, and this is Laravel 11 with a setup for PHP 8.3. I'll show you if you add the Tailwindcss code, what it looks like, and then before we begin to add the packages for Tailwindcss. You're probably using VS Code editor or any editor of your choice to develop applications. So I'll head over to the welcome.blade.php file, which is actually showing the landing page there we just saw, and then I'll add the Tailwindcss code and then save. When I head back to the browser and then refresh the site, you could see that the Tailwindcss code is not displaying properly because Tailwindcss has not been added to the Laravel application. Head over to any terminal of your choice. So I'm going to be using the Laragon terminal, and then you just to install the Tailwindcss for CSS and autoprofessor using the package manager. So npm install -d Tailwindcss for CSS autoprofessor, and then you press enter. After the command has installed the Tailwindcss post CSS and auto prefixer, next you run npx Tailwindcss init-p. This npx Tailwindcss init-p command will create two files, the Tailwindcss config file and the post CSS config file. These are the two files that were created, the post CSS config.js over here, and then the tailwind.config.js. So this tailwind.config.js will modify the content to be able to recognize blade.php file and JavaScript file. So you just add resources. So if you have other file extensions, you can actually add them here. So I'll save that. Then if you come to the vite.config.js, you see that it actually automatically adds the app.css and the app.js. It preloads them into the application. Head over to the app.css file under the resources folder and then add Tailwind base, add Tailwind components, add Tailwind utilities, and save. Head back to the terminal and then run npm run dev to build the process. After running the npm run dev command, and now Vite is now running on a particular local port. So I'll head back to welcome.blade.php because this is what I'm using for the demo. I will include the compiled CSS in the welcome.blade.php file using the @ directive. So you could see at Vite resources/css/app.css, then I will save. One of the advantages of Vite is that just like we have in Laravel Mix, but this is way faster. After adding the Vite @ directive to the welcome.blade.php file, it automatically reloads this landing page, and then the Tailwindcss is now displaying properly. Let me know what you think about Tailwindcss setup in Laravel 11 application using Vite in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.